Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Today I have another review for you. It is a massage gun. If you're not familiar with these, they are basically high-powered massagers designed for chronic muscle pain or if you are a weightlifter or workouts. So it has a kind of an impact massager, and the concept is right immediately after you're done working out, you massage the muscle and it gets blood flowing in there and it'll keep you from being sore and you'll recover faster. Obviously, it's also used for with chiropractors and whatnot, use it for extremely sore muscles, knots, even Massage Envy is starting to use these kind of massagers. So here is the product. I picked this up on Amazon. What you get this little case, comes with a manual. I would recommend, if you're not familiar with massage guns, to kind of flip through the manual and kind of understand the do's and the don'ts type situation. And then here is the massage gun itself. So we'll get into this here in a minute. It comes with obviously a power cord, and then it has 6 adapters pieces here. So first one, you have this little guy. This is designed to go down your spine. Then you have 2 kind of ball shaped with a felt fabric, or foam I should say. These are for general muscle groups, so this is larger muscles, smaller muscles. Then you have a flat head tip. This is just for basically general on your body. It's important to note that you really want to make sure that it's flat, because obviously if you're coming at an angle, the edges don't feel too good. So then this guy right here is for precision joints or tough areas. This is more like a torture device. I'm not a fan of this personally. And then you have another general body one. This is actually my preferred use. It has good coverage. Also, the balls are pretty good here too. So how you install it's pretty easy. You just kind of slide it right on in. There's in the hole here, just push in and it's nice and secure. And then this is where the battery compartment is. So if you ever want to change the battery, you push this in and you pull down and it can come out, but it's a rechargeable battery, so you shouldn't have to do that unless you're getting a lot of use. Down here is where you plug in and charge, and then there's an on and off switch. When you turn it on, you'll see this turns green. When you're charging, it'll be red until it's fully charged. Now on the back here, you will see that this is the control panel. Right now it's off. You press the plus button, which I'll do here in a minute, and it increases the speed. It goes from 1 to 20. I forget which, I think total wise, it's like 3,200 RPMs or something like that, but it's really powerful. So usually it's always on the lower settings for me. And the battery itself takes a couple hours to charge. It lasts pretty decent. Now it does have a safety mechanism. After 10 minutes, it'll automatically turn off, and then you have to turn it on. You can turn it, press the buttons again. So it also kind of has like a built-in timer too, because you don't want to stay in one joint in particular. So we'll turn it on here so you can see. We'll press the 1 and 2. And now you're going to see it's going to start vibrating, and we'll go up to 5. So this is kind of it. I mean, as I said, it's kind of an impact. Instead of like a Hitachi or something like that, other massager which just vibrates, this little piston shakes in and out really quickly. And that's how it focuses on the muscle groups. This is great for knots or just sore muscles in general. I highly recommend it. I'll include a link to several different types of massage guns on Amazon if you want to check them out, see what's right for you, see what other people are saying about them. But if you're looking for a powerful massager, I would highly recommend this. Other than that, until the next review, you guys take it easy. Later. You, my friend, are awesome, because you made it to the end of the video. Now, if you want to be a true legend in my eyes, please hit that subscribe button. And in the meantime, if you want to check out some other videos, I would appreciate it. Till the next review, you guys take it easy.